Onions. They are a staple in kitchens around the world. They might just be the most versatile ingredient in your kitchen. From soups to salads and everything in between, onions add flavor and depth to any dish. But did you know that different types of onions have different flavors and uses? Each variety brings its own unique taste and texture. The right onion can elevate your dish from good to great. Let's explore some of the most popular types and how to use them in your cooking. First up, the yellow onion, the workhorse of the kitchen. This versatile vegetable is a staple in many households, and for good reason. It has a strong, slightly sweet flavor when raw, making it a great addition to salads and sandwiches for that extra crunch and zest. That's why it's perfect for soups, stews, and caramelized onions. Its natural sugars caramelize beautifully, creating a savory sweet flavor that enhances any recipe. If you're only keeping one type of onion in your kitchen, this is the one. Next, we have the red onion, mild, slightly spicy, and a bit sweeter than yellow onions. Its vibrant color makes it great for raw dishes like salads, sandwiches, and tacos. Pro tip: if you find red onions too sharp, soak them in cold water for about 10 minutes to mellow the bite. White onion, the bold and crisp one. Now, let's talk about the white onion. It's sharper and more pungent than the others. Its distinct, robust flavor makes it stand out in any dish. You'll often see it in Mexican dishes like salsa and guacamole because it has a crisp texture and strong flavor. Its crunchiness adds a delightful bite to these dishes. If you love a bold onion taste, this is your go-to. Whether raw or cooked, the white onion brings a unique zest to your culinary creations. Shallots, small but fancy. Meet the shallot, a smaller, more delicate cousin of the onion. It has a mild, slightly garlicky taste, making it a favorite in gourmet cooking. Shallots are great in salad dressings, vinaigrettes, and fine dining dishes. Green onions, scallions, the fresh finisher. And finally, the green onion, also called scallions. They have a mild, slightly grassy flavor and are perfect for garnishing dishes. Use them in soups, stir-fries, eggs, and Asian cuisine for a fresh, light onion taste. Conclusion: what's your favorite? Now that you know the differences, which type of onion do you use the most in your cooking? Are you team yellow onion, or do you love the crunch of red onions? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.